Welcome back to Crypto Front. This is the front line where we are fighting together side by side for financial freedom, and we actually have to do some fighting because we have taken a huge hit here on the Onyxcoin price as well as the rest of the market, to be honest with you. Now, luckily, I have actually been prepared for this scenario, right? Both psychologically and also in terms of my trades and my decisions, because what we've always been talking about here on the last 3 weeks or so is that, look, we need to set conditions, right? To say, okay, look, if situation A happens, we're going to act this way. And then if situation B happens, we're obviously going to be doing this. So yeah, for us to say that the price is going to continue to go to the downside, we've been taking a look at the EMA rebound. I'm sure you've seen that in my previous videos. Then we were also taking a look at the 50-daily moving average one more time, right? So a daily candle close below these levels was always going to be indicating that we're going to be dropping towards the downside. And that's exactly what we are doing here. Now, I don't want to go back into the past and keep saying that I told you this and this, and because really it's not the thing that matters right now. What actually matters is that, okay, what is going to be coming after this whole dump has happened? Are we going to be seeing another drop, 40, 50, 60%, whatever the case may be? What is the Bitcoin price looking like? What's next here? This is the most important thing. I'm going to be covering that in today's video. If that sounds interesting, I want to kindly ask you to help me support the video just by delicately tapping the like button. It really helps the YouTube algorithm, and people looking for Onyxcoin updates will now be able to find this video much more easily. Just as I mentioned a few moments ago, here we want to see what the future looks like for Onyxcoin, and we're going to be referencing back to something that we've been talking about almost every single day here on the channel, right? So we can see we've got Onyxcoin here on the left hand side, then we've got the Toncoin price here on the right hand side. I've been showing this structure saying that, this kind of downward price section, we have seen it with just like the Toncoin price, and usually they end up going this way here, but this is not where the story ends. And I was actually highlighting to this time and again that you would see a quick recovery out of this whole thing. So generally speaking, this is what I expect Onyxcoin to do, right? Immediate short term. Now, the decision to say, okay, I'm going to be selling right now and waiting for, the support level to come in rather than buy back whenever the price starts to go towards the upside. Really, this is not something that I can do totally. It's up to you, because right now I don't think it's as simple as that, to be honest with you. Right now, you may be asking that is one example enough here? The thing is, we were not only looking at one example, we're also looking at a number of other examples, right? So XRP was another one that we were giving right there. Now, if I may just go to that chart real quick, XRP, just like Ton, was showing us pretty much the same thing right there. You see the downward sloping resistance, then obviously a huge capitulation here, which was something like a 40% or something like that. And I've been warning that this would also be something that would come with Onyxcoin, provided that we break that 1.8 cents. So this is the kind of territory in which we are in. But I think we also have to look forward, trying to say, okay, what if the price crashes that big, right? What happens? Is it over, or we can actually be looking for even better things to come? Take a look at how fast this happened for XRP. This was really, really fast, up 60% in one day, maybe something like that. So we also had the example of Ondo Finance, as you can see here on the right hand side, which of course we're looking at the downward sloping resistance, and then from there look at how fast the capitulation happens, and then from here it's recovery time and even going higher than we were before. So I'm still very much bullish here on Onyxcoin, although immediate short term, that just as we have been talking about in the last few days, that look here, if 1.8 cents is broken, then problem is that we're going down, and we're going down fast. Because of that, I've taken short trades already. I don't want to come here and start showing you that, okay, look, this is how much money that I've made from this short, because I know that right at this point a lot of people have lost money on this Onyxcoin here. So I don't think it's something that is proper for me today, but my thoughts are very clear as to what I think is going to be happening. And I have planned this thing out for the last 3-4 weeks. Let's see how it plays out eventually. Now, I can totally be wrong about this whole thing, but I think for now I'm going to be maintaining my bullish stance. So you can be bearish immediate short term and bullish in the coming 3-4 weeks or something like that. This is exactly what I'm doing, and at least I'm backing it with things that I've seen in the market, things that I've also lived, to be honest with you, with the Ondo chart, with the Ton chart, the XRP chart. We all have XRP in our portfolios. I'm very sure about that. So this is the current state of play right there. But obviously, I think Onyxcoin is playing maybe, I would say, 5% of what is happening in the market. The bigger things actually happening here with Bitcoin, right? Now, Bitcoin is looking like it's in a distribution structure, and with that, a lot of people are scared. That would actually also make sense to see Onyxcoin crashing like 40% or something like that. But I don't think that it's going to be that easy to navigate. Market makers are going to do something like very much fishy here, because imagine in the last 2-3 weeks or something like that, we have had like massive liquidations of longs. So any leverage that is going to be building up in the market is going to be short positions, and that's so easy to take away, because the moment the price goes up by 30%, even somebody who is on a 3x leverage is going to be liquidated too much. So I wouldn't be advising shorting right now, right? If you're already not in a short position, I don't think there's any need to open one right now. This is just my preference because, just as I said, it's very easy to liquidate people when price is going to the downside. It only takes like a 30% pump towards the upside, and that's not a lot, to be honest with you, in crypto. And everybody is out, even the person with the 3x leverage. So yeah, I think if you're already not in a short, there's probably no need to do that. However, if somebody is interested in shorting Onyx coin and is in the same belief that you have like the price is going to be crashing further down, right, maybe another 30% or something like that, I would think that we probably need to see the support being revisited one more time. We broke right below here, that's right around 1.8 cents, but it's so easy for the market to go and revisit 1.8 cents and then bang, we are going down one more time. So I'm going to be announcing these kind of trade alerts in the Patreon. Usually we use Discord for this trade alert. So, but if you want to be joining the Discord group, you can just feel free to join via Patreon. The link is going to be somewhere there in the description. So this is where we are. It's really not a very great video of me to be making this kind of a bearish thing, but this has been the plan for quite a few weeks right now, and I'm just following through what I've already thought about. So let's see if I'm going to be right or wrong. I mean, I really wish we could be talking on different circumstances altogether, but it is what it is in this market, right? I'm going to be updating you each and every single time. So if you're interested in Onyx coin updates and stuff like that, feel free to subscribe because I do TA on this and a number of other different altcoins on a regular basis. I'll see you tomorrow. Take really, really good care of yourselves. Bye-bye.